Hello my Rover friends and welcome back to the Lucky8 channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the all-powerful GAP tool to turn off your TPMS sensor on a Range Rover Sport 1st Gen or an LR3. I'm going to take you step by step and we're going to get that light turned off. Cue the intro. First thing we need to do is plug the GAP tool into the OBD2 port. Little light should flicker. That means we're ready to go. With the GAP tool plugged in, you want to connect to the app and then go into Car Configure. Yes, we're going to continue. We're going to let it read the Car Configure files. It takes a couple minutes. Actually, not a couple minutes, about 30 seconds. Once that's done, we're going to hit confirmed list. And right there towards the bottom is going to be tire pressure. This car is currently fitted. Click on that. It gives you choices. Not fitted. Apply. Down at the bottom, it's going to say upload changes. Yep, we want to do that. Do we want to proceed with these changes? Yes, we do, or I do. It's up to you. We're building an off-road vehicle here and it's not going to have TPMS sensors. Car's going to shut down. It's going to start to reprogram the files. And if my memory serves me, it's going to ask us to rotate the key on and off. All right, everything's coming back up. All right, switch ignition off. One Mississippi, turn it back on, hit continue. Dude, I don't know if you guys can hear that CD player in the dash. It is working, its little wheels off in there. Clearing any faults, there's no faults, it's a Land Rover. All right, good news, upload successful. Your TPMS sensor light is no longer illuminated. That's all I got for today, so be sure to follow for more Rover content.